Welcome back to N.Rajini Kiranmai YouTube channel. This video helps you to understand the history of Python and applications that are developed using Python. When we look to the history of Python, we know that the Python work has started in late 1980s. Guido Van Rossum began doing its application-based work in December 1989 at CWI, which is situated in Netherlands. And Python language is a predecessor, or it has been developed from ABC programming language. And Rossum has taken the syntax of ABC and some of its good features and developed Python. Initially, a lot of complaints came and he fixed those issues completely and had created a good scripting language that he removed all the flaws. And Python name came from the inspiration of BBC TV show Monty Python's Flying Circus, which is a TV show in BBC, and Rossum is a big fan of this show. And along with it, he wanted a short, unique, and slightly mysterious name for his new invention, and hence he named it Python. The most popular versions of Python that are used now is Python 2.x and 3.x. And as well as the various purposes where we used these Python was in developing phase, in scripting, generations, and software testing. In all these fields, this language is utilized. Due to its elegance and simplicity, top technology organizations like Google, IBM, Cisco started implementing Python. Now let us move to the applications of Python. Python is used to make web applications at a rapid rate. Why we can able to develop the web applications so fast? Because of the availability of the frameworks in Python, such as Django, Flash, Pyramid. And these frameworks helped in developing the web application at a rapid rate. And along with it, the security, scalability, and convenience of this language provided a greater commandability when compared with developing a website from scratch. And the second application where we use Python is game development. Python enables the user to develop interactive games. There are libraries such as PySoy, which is a 3D game engine supporting Python 3, Pygame, which provides a functionality and a library for game development. Most of the games like Civilization 4, Disney, Toontown Online, Vegas Strike has been built using this Python language. The third application where we use Python is artificial intelligence and machine learning. As we all know that in this field, the computer should learn based on the past experiences and could able to store the data and create an algorithms which enable the computer to learn by itself. And this language supported a lot in doing all these things, and that is the reason why Python is the only language or mostly used language in artificial intelligence and machine learning to make the computer learn by itself. The fourth application is data science and data visualization. As we all know that in this era, the data is a money. When a data can be a money, if we are able to extract the relevant information which will help us to take a calculated risks and increase our profit. Then data is termed as money. To study the data, to perform the operation and extract the information required, there are many libraries in Python like Pandas, NumPy, which helps us to extract the information, and many data libraries which helps to present the visualize the data, or matplotlib, Seaborn, which help us in plotting the graphs and much more. And that is the reason why Python language enables the user to become a data scientist even. Moving to the fifth application of Python is we can use this language in business applications. Why? Because it is going to cover the domains such as e-commerce, ERP, and many more. And every business application requires scalable, extensible, and easily readable. And all these features are provided by Python. Platforms such as Triton is available to develop such business applications, and hence Python is used in business applications even. And sixth application is teaching. Teaching. Python is a perfect language for teaching programming skills at the industry as well as advanced levels. And seventh application is prototyping. Since Python is very easy to learn, and of course it is an open source language, so this language is used to develop prototypes. Agility, extensibility, and scalability of the code written in Python supports a faster development from the initial prototype. And that is the reason why this language is used in this field. And next application where we use Python is network programming. As in network programming, we have to use a socket interface, functions for email processing, and support for file transfer protocols, IMAPs, and other internet protocols. For all these purposes, Python is the most useful language to implement all these things. Thank you for watching this video.